Everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. I want to talk to you today about something that is different from one state to another, but not all states. A lot of states do it the same. A lot of other states do it a different way, and that is voting. Now, national voting is all done on an even numbered year. A lot of states follow suit with all of their elections, all the state elections on the even number years, as well as county and cities. However, there are other states that do, besides they do the state and federal on even number years and counties and cities on odd number years. So if you're in one of those states where they do it on the odd number year for your city and county, don't put off voting just because it's not a national election. You can have a bigger impact at your city and county level than you can nationally. So it's so important for you to vote locally than it is to vote nationally. Now, does that mean that national doesn't count? No, it doesn't. But it means city government is more important, or your vote is more important at a city government level than it is on the national level because there are less people. All right. So that means that November 7th, today, it's time to get out and vote. All right? So if you have all your stuff done, good. If you haven't looked at the ballot, figured, it's just a local election, I'm not going to worry about it. Local elections are more important. Get out there and vote locally. Look at your information. Figure out who you're going to be voting for today. All right? And your work has to allow you time off to vote. Okay, they say, well, it's not a national election. You tell them it's still a government election. It's still required that you give us the time off to vote. All righty? With that, stay happy no matter what happens, whether your candidate wins or loses. Don't get upset if they lose. Next time, go ahead, get out there and go door to door and help them out. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you, even if your candidate loses the election. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Food, water, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. And I'll see you around because I don't want to see you like this.